Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Pickman, and one of the questions that patients often have is, do chiropractic adjustments hurt? That's a great question, and the answer is no, not if they're done properly. In most offices, we do a thorough examination and even take x-rays prior to treating a patient. The examination and these films make up your spinal blueprint that allow us to see and not guess before we make an adjustment. They tell us precisely where and how to adjust each patient. For example, if a joint is very inflamed, we may use ice to numb the area first. As chiropractors, we take special care to treat tender areas very gently and carefully. The main objective of an adjustment is to relieve pressure from a nerve and help the patient feel great. And at the end of the day, that's why we're here.